Back in my fridge today. Hey guys, I got some, checking out what's in my fridge. You know what time it is. It's time to look in my fridge. It's a very normal fridge. It's just I'm showing you everything that's in my fridge. You're gonna need to stand back a little bit. So I don't want you to, got my soda. It's good soda. This bowl has been in my fridge for about 4 months. That bowl's gonna get used to being in my fridge. Probably wondering what kind of condiments I have in my fridge. Well, I have the honey mustard. Thank you for joining me in my fridge, but it feels a little obscene being in my fridge. Also got Land O'Lakes butter, just in case someone's trying to cook food in here. I don't know why you would cook food in the fridge. But that's it. Alright, you caught me in the fridge. So what? Do you want to see what I have in my fridge or not? Do you want to see what I have in my fridge? I got a little bit of hot sauce. Welcome back to the fridge. I've got butter. There's not much I can say about butter, but I've got butter. You better believe it. You hear that noise? Butter. You know what time it is. We're here to review stuff in my fridge. We've got more butter or hot sauce. Honey mustard. You gotta have it. See these pickles? We got them. Hey. Welcome back to the food review. A lot of you have been wondering where my pickle reviews have been. Well, I'm here to tell you we're back with butter, some pickles, and we're gonna eat them. So here's what I thought of the pickles. They were very tasty. They're like tangy. They had like a tartness to them. Almost like a savory, fresh. It was a very fresh taste. These are pretty good. They're gonna be very flavorful, but it feels a little obscene. What do you call a bicycle that's half off? A unicycle. Butter. Okay, you caught me in the fridge. What do you want to see? It's a normal fridge. I don't know what you want to see. I got ground meat. I got some people that wouldn't be very happy if they knew you were snooping in my fridge. You better get out of here if you know what's good for you.